5 weird TikTok recipes that I'm dying to try, but the last one I am so curious about. First one though is like the s'mores cookie, and I mean, if the fast food takeout secrets guy says it's amazing, it has to be amazing. This one's pretty simple. You're just supposed to combine almost like you're making a s'mores. And it just says it's like a graham cracker with some chocolate chips and a marshmallow. But then we're supposed to take cookie dough. And he'd use store-bought cookie dough, so I'm using store-bought cookie dough. But the quotes have been, it's life-changing.
I've had s'mores cookies before, they're all right. Life-changing? I don't know. Your phone's also not muted, amateur. Rookie.
Is that just life-changing?
Is this your first time filming a YouTube video?
Okay, I made a cookie patty. Make a little mountain. I don't know if it's gonna bake because it's just a mound. In the oven? What?
Oh, those look really good.
Those look amazing. That looks incredible. But they said that the real thing is if you flip it over, you can see the little square.
Okay, they look really good, but
Yeah.
my issue is that you've still got to eat like just plain regular cookie around the outside to get to the s'mores.
That's a good point. Like all of these bites is just gonna be chocolate chip cookie.
Yeah. Is it life-changing?
That is, hands down, the best s'mores cookie I've ever had. This is like ooey gooey goodness, and the warm cookie and the graham cracker crunch, and like, yeah. I'm gonna give it a 7 because you have to eat so much regular cookie just to get to the best part. Maybe if I didn't use as much cookie dough, you'd have more best part, but as is, a 7. So good. Now, I love tacos. It's like one of my favorite foods, but a cake taco, that's just taking it to a whole other level. And the only thing is she has this like really fancy taco holder. I don't have one of those, so Kevin put cardboard in a cake tin, and I think it might work.
It's more than just putting cardboard in a cake tin, Lori.
Yeah, describe your
There was measuring,
process.
there was Scotch tape.
Taping.
Yeah, cutting.
Cutting.
There's more than what you've made it sound like, you know.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to belittle your taco mold. She just did fancy lines.
What's so fancy about those lines?
Because then she like joined the lines and made a ziggy zag.
So they're not fancy now, but they will be fancy?
They will be fancy.
Got it.
This is horrible piping. I feel rushed because my chocolate feels like it's cooling. My chocolate may not have been warm enough. I didn't want to take it forever to harden. I think it's fine. I'm okay with it. Oh wait, now I gotta stick this to it. There we go. Make a taco, please. Cheese, cookie butter, Biscoff crunchy. So good.
Is that all you put in there?
This and then like ice cream.
Oh. Well, hold on.
Yes.
How are you supposed to eat this thing? No, that's gonna be way too messy and way too cold on your teeth.
She just topped hers off with ice cream and cones, like waffle cones. But she also added gold leaf, which I just feel is unnecessary. Hope these don't like scratch the roof of my mouth apart. Okay. That's not bad.
I mean, it's not like what it was supposed to look like, I thought.
It's a little scratchy. It's not quite what it's supposed to look like, but I mean, it's still holding its shape. How am I supposed to eat this?
You think that you can just bite it? I mean, you go ahead. You do you. Do you.
That's really, really, really good. They're really hard to eat. That is amazing. It's a bit sweet. It's a bit sweet, but I mean, the combination of everything is really good, and I feel like the presentation of eating it as a taco is super fun. Eating messy food is half the fun.
I disagree.
I know. I'm giving it an 8. Like, if it wasn't as sweet, I feel like it would be a 9. That's how much I love this thing. All right, let's try the next one. Pause. I mean, TikTok recipes can be hit or miss, but mine, they slap every time. I see you guys in the comments every week asking, where are my recipes? What are my recipes? And I am no gatekeeper. So you guys can click the link down below or the I to download my free recipe ebook for all of like my die-hard recipes, the basics of things that you need to know to make incredible cakes. Third one, we're just taking crunchy chocolate bars and then making like almost a half-made homemade ice cream and pouring it into it to make like an ice cream candy bar. So she crunched these up. She just cut off the one end, and then you make the ice cream mix, and then you pour it into the actual candy bar wrapper.
Well, that's kind of cool.
It's cool. Like, I feel like it's really easy, but it also seems like it would be very tasty. And then to make the ice cream mix part of it, she just combined whipping cream and sweet condensed milk and a bit of vanilla. Have to use the good vanilla. It's very full. Oh no. Then you pour it inside. You gotta guide it and move all your candy bar around to make little holes for your ice cream. Because I prepped these last night, so we didn't have to wait for them to freeze overnight, but it did take me like 10 minutes to guide all of the ice cream down to the bottom.
You did this last night?
I did this last night.
When?
I was very prepared. Same time I baked the cake for the cake tacos.
Where was I?
Sleeping. And then she just stuck the popsicle sticks in. And then we freeze overnight, except, like I said, I already have ones ready to go. Voila. Voila! Oh no. It's too soft.
Oh.
Like, it doesn't wanna.
Oh no.
Aww.
Did you make a bad ice cream recipe?
No, I followed her recipe exactly. Today it was a little willy-nilly, but last night I was exact. It was supposed to hold its. That just ruins all the fun. This is like crushing my soul a little bit because I was very excited for this one.
Maybe our freezer's not set cold enough?
Maybe. That ice cream is sickly sweet, but the combination of like frozen ice cream and the candy bar is so good. I just wish it held its shape. So I don't know if you just like melted regular vanilla ice cream and poured it in, it'd be maybe less sweet and hold its shape. As is, I feel like I've got to give it a 3 because it didn't really work, but could be my fault, but also it's a bit sweet. But with the right ice cream, and if it did work, I feel like it has like 7 potential. Fourth one, I also just stuck these in the freezer last night because apparently I'm eating Oreos wrong. And I had a few different kinds of Oreos because Kevin's a cookie monster. So I've got like chocolate cake and double stuffed and regular stuffed and caramel. I feel like I'm gonna start with the double stuffed. Ow. How is anybody eating these?
Why don't you go to a regular?
Let's go to regular. Okay. Better start. Better start.
Give me a chunk. Pass one over here.
Come over here.
Just pass me a chunk.
Yeah, here's a chunk.
Here.
Get on camera! No.
This really...
No.
No.
No. Like,
I mean,
worse.
I'm not...
Don't do the double stuff. They're gonna break your teeth.
That double?
Yeah, that's double. How?
It's like a nice cool snack. I don't know that it's like groundbreaking, but it's not bad.
I would never eat these again.
I'd
They're
give
gonna
this
break
like-
your teeth.
I give this like a 7 out of 10.
Oh my god, I would give it a 1. I would give it a minus. I would give it a 0.
Okay, watch your teeth. 7 out of 10.
Road trip. Okay, the last one that we need to do, we have to go pick something up first. Where are we going? So I am like dip my French fry in ice cream kind of girly, but I've never thought of taking a McFlurry and stacking that on top of hash browns as like a little ice cream sandwich. How are you for today?
Hi, can I get 2 hash browns and a small Oreo McFlurry, please?
Yeah, the key to this, that's mine. The key to this is gonna be not making a mess in Kevin's truck. I'm gonna take the other side and put it on top. Oh no, oh no.
Oh no. What's happening?
Oh no.
Put it in the bag. Just put it in the bag.
It's really good, but I think I would eat it as an open-faced sandwich.
This was the one you were most excited about?
It's really good.
Not the cake taco.
No.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
It's really messy, but it's also really tasty. The fact that this has like the hash browns with it is not just sugar is really balancing for me. So 7.5. Let me know if you guys have tried any of these or if you would try any of these. And don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Love ya. Okay, let's clean up the truck. Oh no.